Hey guys, Richard here. So I just recorded the video talking about some government regulation. I just recorded a video clip talking about the ends guy here because I'm getting ready to do some maintenance on it, and I needed a short video clip to insert for that video that I'm going to make in the garage. And then I decided why not start a third video because I'm still headed to lunch. So yeah, nothing really to say. Hey, there's cows. Hey, you know, that's a great sight right there because we don't see cows much anymore here in our area. And I live in the country. We've got two main developers in this area and a corrupt county government that, you know how it goes. Developer moves in, wants to buy a big swath of land, pays off the county officials to approve his development plans. And then the next thing you know, mayhem. Just mayhem. And so all of our country stuff our country way of living is disappearing, and cows are disappearing, farms are disappearing, and now it's just, neighborhoods after neighborhoods after neighborhoods, thousands upon thousands, tens of thousands actually, of homes stacked on top of each other practically, no yards. And people are willing to buy it, and that's why these developers are willing to build it. And they pay off the corrupt officials that are, that have to approve these plans. See, the developers being private sector, they can go in and buy land and go ahead and start building stuff. And when the county's approving it, what they're not doing is they're not planning for infrastructure to support that. And these county commissioners, they don't care. They're just getting their pockets lined by the millions. So they're making their bank. But now you have, neighborhoods being built, thousands of homes being put in, and the roads surrounding that neighborhood can't support all the traffic. Utility companies can't support, all the extra homes being built. Our water pressure is about half what it used to be when we first moved in, and it's continuing to get worse. The roads are clogged all the time because there's so many cars on the road, and there's just no place for people to drive. There's no place for people to park when they go to the store because parking lots and things aren't big enough because, they don't want to give up that valuable space for parking. They want to give up that valuable space to somebody that's going to buy it and build something. And so just about every store you go into anywhere is got not enough parking. It's just terrible around here. Hey, it's time for lunch. See you guys later. What's that? No, not at all. Just got to hit the power button, power it up. All right, guys, that was a good lunch at the sandwich shop. That was an interesting lunch at the sandwich shop, let me tell you that. Everybody likes this little place because the sandwiches are just good. They're fresh. They're always busy. But today, oh my goodness, I had this guy, he ordered a sandwich, he was right in front of me. Couldn't figure out what he wanted, he wasn't sure what to get, he hadn't been there before. He kept looking at the menu. Finally he decided what he wanted. He wanted to go with an Italian sandwich. He didn't want the peppers that they put on it. He asked them what different peppers they had, and they all just kept asking about different ingredients, and he was disappointed that they didn't have a particular meat that he thought should be on the sandwich. And I just thought, yeah, this guy's gonna be a problem. So he gets his sandwich, he goes outside and eats. I end up getting my sandwich a few minutes later. I go outside and sit at another table with my back to him. One of the ladies from inside came out, and she happened to ask him, "Oh, how do you like your sandwich?" And he said, "I don't like it at all." So she said, "Well, why not?" And he says, "Well, you don't have this, you don't have that. You put American cheese on it. It's an Italian sandwich, you shouldn't have American cheese." And okay, yeah, he may have an argument there. I mean, American cheese on an Italian sandwich should have provolone or Swiss or something else, maybe, I don't know. But And then she was real polite about it, tried to explain to me, well, yeah, we got a couple things that are a little different here, and we've been in business for 40 years, and we've been in business for 40 years, and this is just how it's always been made, so that's how we make it. Most people like it. Well, I don't like it at all, and blah, 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 blah. He just wasn't happy about it. I don't know. It's okay, you know? Kind of like this channel, right? I've been trying to tell folks on all my recent videos, hey, if you don't like this particular video, that's okay. It's all right. You know, go click away, go find another video to watch. You don't have to unsubscribe and leave and be all disgruntled because you disagree with something that I said. And most of you don't, right? Most of you say like, oh, okay, yeah, I don't agree with you, Richard, but that's okay. That's how the world's supposed to work. It's how we're supposed to all get along. No, some people are like, oh, I don't like you. Because, yeah, I disagree with what you said, so I'm gonna unsubscribe and go somewhere else. Okay, that's fine too. Oh my goodness, life is short. Oh my goodness. So anyway, what are we doing? Headed back to the house. Gonna try to record a video about the Ansky here. Yeah, got a little maintenance work to do on it. It's gonna be an afternoon of trying to take care of a few little maintenance items on a couple of the bikes that I have. Yeah. Although it's a nice day, I should be out riding. I haven't been on too many solo rides recently. I've always got, you know, I've got Amanda with me or Ron with me, which I really enjoy, but you know, it seems like I just haven't really taken time just to go out and cruise on my own. I have to do that soon. Yeah. You guys like to ride alone? Do you ride in groups? Do you ride with family members? Let me know down below. How do you like to ride? Alright, that guy's stopping, that guy over there stopping. Yeah, so we were talking about e-bike laws and regulation a minute ago. Was that the other video? That may have been the other video. I don't know, this is like my third video I recorded on this trip. Yeah, I don't know. Got a rattle. It has a rattle. Alright, so when you have a rattle, a little tick, first thing to check is maybe like your reflectors. Maybe one came loose and it's just kind of rattling there. Next thing to check is your spokes. See if you have a loose spoke, because they can loosen up over time. And then of course look for something that's just vibrating, that's loose, that's like the headlight or something that's loose and maybe flopping around, dangling a little bit. I'll have to check all of those when I get back, because there is a tick or a rattle or a little something going on down there. Alright, I tell you what, since we're out, and I just did this short little trip for lunch, I think I will extend it just a little bit. Yep, I think so. Yeah. Just because I haven't been out today. Wasn't out much yesterday either. So, instead of going to the left down the sidewalk, because obviously we can't make a left turn here, I am going to go to the right, extend my ride just a little bit. So let's go see what we can see. Well, let's go see what we can see. Why is this not in the right spot? Oh, it's a little loose again. Tighten that up a little bit. Oh, doggone, I'm here talking to you and you guys are looking at my kneecaps or something. What the heck? noise is coming from. Alright. Let's stop here a second. What's rattling? This is going to drive me crazy. If I don't find it now, I'm just going to have to take it for another ride later and figure it out. This is the basket. I don't think it's anything coming from up here. I think it's down low. Is it the reflector? The support arm? It's not. See? The light seems to be nice and tight. The fender's nice and tight. The support arm is nice and tight. So is that one. So what is rattling, huh? What is making the noise? We obviously don't have spokes on this particular bike. Hey. I may have found it. It sounds like it's coming from up here. Let me shake this again. Oh, I get it. Do you see it? I think it's the key. Yeah. Must be the key. Sure sounded like it was coming from the front end. Ha! Yeah. Why haven't I noticed that before? That key's always been there. Let's reach down. Can I reach down and grab that key now and hold it? Because the key's got to be there. Oh no! The mysteries. I can't reach the key, it's too far down there. There, I got it. Yep, I think that was it. Guess I'm gonna have to take that little tag off or something. Alright, well, I wasn't going to go too far out of my way. Just wanted to zip down here a little bit. So I think I'm going to cut across right here. Why not? Why not? Yeah, that looks good. Nobody behind me. I'm just going to zip across the median right here in the grass. There's another entrance to the sidewalk right there. I can get up on the road right here, go across over here, yeah, and make it home again. Got things to do. Okay guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe. I'll see you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly, ride safe. Oof.